The new castle of Manzanares el Real, also known as Castle of Los Mendoza, is a palace fortress erected in the 15th century in the town of Manzanares el Real. Its construction began in 1475 on a Romanesque-Mudéjar hermitage and today is one of the best preserved castles of the Community of Madrid. It was raised on the river Manzanares as a residential palace of the House of Mendoza, in the vicinity of an ancient fortress that was abandoned once the new castle was built. The castle now houses a museum of Spanish castles and hosts a collection of tapestries. It was declared a Monumento Histórico Artístico in 1931. It is owned by the Duchy of the Infantado, but its management is the responsibility of the Community of Madrid. The castle, quadrangular, is constructed entirely of granite stone. It has 4 circular towers. Its vertices are decorated with balls in the Isabelline Gothic style. The main hexagonal tower is one of the highlights. The building is topped by a terrace with machicolation and turrets. It includes a rectangular courtyard with porticos and 2 galleries supported by octagonal columns. The Gothic gallery on the first floor is considered the most beautiful in Spanish military architecture. On the southern Canon de Ron, the gallery is flaming trace on parapets decorated with diamond shapes. The whole castle is surrounded by a barbican, which includes loopholes and carved in low relief, the Cross of the Holy Sepulchre of Jerusalem, a title held by Pedro González de Mendoza. Other defensive elements of the building includes its pockets. The castle has 6 floors, plus a basement, ground floor, mezzanine first, main floor, mezzanine second, upper gallery and gallery of covers. The main gate is flanked by 2 towers with an arch between them. The castle was one of the locations used in the movie El Cid, 1961.